Hello to everyone from Zen. Once again, deeply moved with your loads of love coming my way from all of you. Thanks once again, and continue viewing, liking, and subscribing my channel. This motivates me to make more interesting videos for all of you. In this week video, I shall be covering 5 more UN agencies like World Trade Organization (WTO), World Meteorological Organization (WMO), International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies (IFRC), Foundation for Innovation New Diagnostics (FIND-DX), and Inter-Parliamentary Union (IPU). The World Trade Organization (WTO) is the only global international organization dealing with the rules of trade between nations. At its heart are the WTO agreements negotiated and signed by the bulk of the world's trading nations and ratified in their parliaments. The goal is to ensure that trade flows as smoothly, predictably, and freely as possible. There are 5 jobs available at WTO. The World Meteorological Organization (WMO) is an intergovernmental organization with a membership of 193 member states and territories. It originated from the International Meteorological Organization (IMO), the roots of which were planted at the 1873 Vienna International Meteorological Congress. Established by the ratification of the WMO Convention on 23 March 1950, WMO became the specialized agency of the United Nations for meteorology, weather and climate, operational hydrology, and related geographical sciences a year later. The Secretariat, headquartered in Geneva, is headed by the Secretary General. Its supreme body is the World Meteorological Congress. There are 10 jobs in WMO. The International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies (IFRC) is the world's largest humanitarian network that reaches 150 million people in 192 national societies through the work of over 13.7 million volunteers. Together, we act before, during and after disasters and health emergencies to meet the needs and improve the lives of vulnerable people. We do so without discrimination as to nationality, race, religious beliefs, class, or political opinions. Guided by Strategy 2020, our collective plan of action to tackle the major humanitarian and development challenges of this decade, we are committed in this fast-changing world to saving lives and changing minds. There are 34 jobs at IFRC. Foundation for Innovative New Diagnostics (FIND-DX). We are a global non-profit organization driving innovation in the development and delivery of diagnostics to combat major diseases affecting the world's poorest populations. Diagnostics often do not exist, are inaccessible, or cost too much. They remain under-resourced and overlooked, despite being pivotal for guiding the best for individual patients, for preventing the spread of disease and antimicrobial resistance, and for enhancing surveillance for early disease detection and monitoring. With priorities aligned to those of the global public health community, we turn complex diagnostic challenges into simple solutions through unique partnerships with the public, private, and non-profit sectors. FIND is a WHO collaborating center for laboratory strengthening and diagnostic technology evaluation. FIND in India is looking to hire many professionals. Inter-Parliamentary Union (IPU) is the global organization of national parliaments. We empower parliaments and parliamentarians to promote peace, democracy, and sustainable development. Parliamentary experts, candidates must meet minimum qualifications for specific activities. These often include a university degree or equivalent in political or social science, public administration, governance and development related studies, economics, international relationships, etc. At least 5 years experience working in a parliamentary setting as an MP or member of staff. Previous parliament related capacity building work and or comparable experience of other parliaments in your area of expertise. Relevant subject matter expert. Fluency in at least one of our working languages, English and French. Knowledge of other languages, particularly Arabic and Spanish, is required on a case-to-case basis. Hope you enjoyed the information shared in this video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Till the next video, take care and stay safe. Zen says, God bless all.